Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Wish you all a happy new year first. So today we have brought uh, winter collection which is of pashmina fabric. So totally we have 8 suits in 4 designs, 2 suits of same design in different colors. So let's start with our first suit. This is the first suit. The color is maroon color, and it's a printed suit. The contrast color used for the prints here are green with yellow and black, and this particular print is only for the yoke portion. In the body portion they have provided this booty style prints with stripes all over the body. In the booty style they have used a mirror for handwork. The same mirror is also used in the yoke portion. Mirror work is done along with prints, and it's of pashmina fabric, and now the sleeve portion is having the same print as of body with a border for the sleeve, Now the back side of the shirt fabric has the same prints like front, whereas the daman portion at the back of the shirt has the prints which will be available on the yoke portion in the front side. The same print is used for the daman portion on the back side of the shirt. And the bottom is of also pashmina fabric, solid maroon color bottom. The dupatta, this is the dupatta. The contrast color which is used along with maroon is used for the dupatta. This is the dupatta. The booties are again used in the dupatta with some check patterns, and the same prints are again used. The prints whichever is used in the shirt is again used, but the dupatta is in contrast color which comes in the suit. It's a full size dupatta. It is also of pashmina silk fabric. It is somewhat very lightweight and soft fabric compared to the shirt and bottom fabric. Let me show you the look of the suit. This will be the look of the suit. This is the bottom. So single design is used in 2 different colors. So along with this we have one more color in the same design, which is sea green color. Same design patterns are used in the sea green color, and the contrast color used for the prints is again green and yellow. In sea green also, I'll show you. Solid sea green color bottom, and this is the yoke portion. Again, this is the dupatta. Same style, everything is same except the color. Mirror work is also used. Everything is same to same. I'll show you. Everything is same to same. Maroon and sea green are in the same color. Printed pashmina suit with mirror work, hand work. Now let's see the next collection. Next piece is of sage green color. It's not mint color or pista green. You could call it as dark pista green. Pista green will be of light shade. It's kind of a dark pista green. The design pattern is different. Here also the yoke will be having this full heavy prints. It's a very beautiful print. They have used contrast colors like red, purple, mustard color, beige color, and also they have done the mirror work on the yoke portion. Again, mirror work on the yoke portion. In the body they have provided this tiny booty. The booties are all over. The booties are all over the shirt fabric. This is the body portion. See, the booty is all over with mirror work at the center of the booty. It's foil mirror. It's not a glass mirror. It's foil mirror. And in the daman portion, you have this thick contrast dark color border, finishing the daman portion on the front side. This is the sleeve, a plain sleeve with border running to complete the sleeve. And the same style of design used on the yoke portion is again used for the border portion in the sleeve with a contrast dark green border to finish. Now the back side of the suit. The back side has got the prints again, which is provided in the front side, and the daman portion of the back side has the prints on the yoke portion of the front side. Full printed back side. Now this is the bottom. Sage green color bottom, solid pashmina, and this is the dupatta. The dupatta is quite different in this color, in this piece. Contrast checks are used, reusing the prints on the yoke portion design. Sea green alternating between sage green and the printed booties with printed border. This dupatta is quite different and it looks very pretty. Now the one more color which comes in the same design is coral color in contrast with grey color. Sage green color comes in contrast with sea green color. Here the coral color comes in contrast with grey color. Colors are deep colors. They are not a kind of pastel shades. They are deep colors. They have got that rich shades. The dupatta here, same style printed dupatta. As I said, it comes in contrast with the grey color. Same style prints, same style borders are provided on the dupatta. Same to same. like the sage green color suit. The color contrast here is coral color with grey color, and the solid coral color bottom fabric. Now let's see the next design. This is grayish black, elephant grey. It's not a solid black, it's a kind of elephant grey or a grayish black, slate color, whatever, graphite color, something like that. It's not a deep dark tone of black. It comes in contrast with red and yellow. This is the yoke design. This is the yoke design. Some traditional kind of design is used for the prints in the yoke portion, and mirror work is done in the suit also. The body of the shirt has the stripes with the booties. It's not a booty, it's kind of some pythony style booty. You can see here, this should be clear. This is not a typical booty. It's a pythony kind of pythony style kind of booty, and the booties again has the mirror work with it. Stripe is also having a design used for this line in the body portion, which is alternated between the line with the booty, and this is the daman. Daman is finished with the same lines. This is the sleeve portion. The lines and the yoke designs are reused for the sleeve portion. Let's see the back of the shirt. This is the back side. Back side has the same prints and the heavy daman at the bottom of the back side of the shirt. Solid grayish black bottom for the in the pashmina fabric, and this is the dupatta. Dupatta comes in red color, printed dupatta with the black border, black used with the used on the borders, two-sided border for the dupatta. And also I forgot to say, every dupatta is finished, so no need of giving the dupattas for finishing. And one more thing, the pashmina, this, as I said, this fabric is pashmina. You won't require lining for these suits. If it will make you feel heavy, you can go without lining, which will be very comfortable to wear in any kind of weather, not just winter, even in summer. It's a very soft fabric, so it will be suitable for the summer also. So best is getting these stitched without lining. Dupatta is having the stripes, the design, the patterned lines and the dotted lines being used as stripes all over the center. This is the dupatta. Now I will give you the look of the suit. This is the look of the suit. Color contrasts are very nice in every suit. It just accentuates and elevates the color. Now one more color in the same design in this is mustard yellow. Mustard yellow color, same design. Everything is same to same. The contrast color here used with the mustard yellow is coral red. Red, not coral peach or orange. It's coral red. Coral red color in contrast with mustard yellow. This is the look you would get. One second. This is the look. Now let's see the next design and last design. Okay, this is beige color. Very nice color combination. Beige with red and orange, and black color is also used. This is the yoke portion. Fulkari style prints are used on the yoke. See, Fulkari style. You should Fulkari is a kind of embroidery style, right? That type of designs are used for the prints in the yoke portion. It has also got the mirror work done here, foil mirror. This is the yoke, and this is the body portion. The body has this triangle shaped print with circular prints all over the body. Red color prints are used in the body portion, and this is the daman portion. Daman has a border, a triangle shaped border, along with the Fulkari style printed border, and this is the sleeve portion, plain sleeve with border. The back of the shirt, this is the back of the shirt. The back portion in this piece has got a border on the upper part of your back also. Upper part, top, your upper part, in the upper part also you can use this border, and the daman portion has the huge printed border at the back of your shirt. Now I'll show you the look of the suit with the dupatta also. We'll see the dupatta. Bottom is solid beige color, pashmina. Dupatta is orange color dupatta with Fulkari style prints all over the center of the dupatta, and borders at the two ends of the dupatta. two ends of the dupatta. Now I'll show you the look of the suit. This is the look of the suit. Now one more color and the last piece from today's video. The last piece in the same design as the previous, red color in contrast with black and orange. Same design, Fulkari style yoke prints with mirror work, and same style of prints used in the body portion again. Red with black. It's quite a combination. So this is the suit. This is the suit. This is a dupatta, black color dupatta. Black color dupatta. Solid red bottom. This is the look of the suit. Very nice color combination. Black with red is always one of the best combinations. This is very nice. On the black suit also you have got black with the red. So these are all our collections for today. If you like any of these, please take a screenshot of it and get in touch with us through our WhatsApp number. We would like to bring new collections of your choice, so we are open to your comments and feedbacks. Please do comment and send in your feedbacks on the comment section. So thank you all. See you again with another video.